Layering doesn't have to be difficult. The reason why you ruin your wigs when layering is because you cut too much or less at the wrong places. But doing it properly will get you a natural movement and soft layers like this. Keep watching this video to learn exactly how to achieve that. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve soft layers in your wigs. Now you can see that the hair has already been prepped, meaning it's been washed, conditioned and dried out. So it is ready to be styled. To start layering, I will begin with face framing section. But before that, these are the tools that I will be needing. A comb, and a scissors, preferably a hairstylist scissors. Now this is how to use that scissors. You put your ring finger in the small hole and then your pinky lies on the pinky rest. Then you put your thumb in the bigger hole. It makes it very easy for you to do that. Then your remaining fingers, the index and the middle finger, rest on the rest of the scissors. Now as you can see, I have my pattern in the middle. And to create a nice face frame, always start by parting the hair into two equal sections. Then take a small section from the closure on both sides, making sure that each section is shaped like a triangle. I hope it makes sense. Then put these two together and cut at a slight angle. This will serve as a guide for creating the rest of your layers, really. So ladies, when cutting on dry hair, right, it is important to start with your face frame because it sets the foundation for the rest of the layers. Once the face framing pieces are in place, it becomes more easier to guide the rest of your cuts and keep the layers, more balanced and more natural looking. So I will go ahead and take small sections from the closure, comb it to the front, and use the guide that I began with and cut in a slight way. So don't cut straight. If you cut straight, the hair will be very blunt. Because you see I'm cutting in a slight way, it is making the hair look from short to long, and that's what we want to achieve in the face frame. And for anyone who really does not understand what face framing is the section of the hair that is cut shorter around the front of the wig to basically frame the face. Now, if you can see what I'm doing, I take a section, and also bear in mind that whatever section I'm taking a diagonal line from the lace. Okay, then I will comb the hair to the front and use the guide that I began with to cut the layers in there. So what I'm doing now, I'm doing everything on the closure and the closure only. Once I am done, I will apply the same technique all over the hair. Now whatever I'm doing on the right side, I'll do exactly the same thing on the left side. Once I am done, you will see the difference between the two sections, the one I have started cutting and the one that I haven't touched yet. You will see the difference. As you can see, the hair on this side is very slanted, and that's what we want to achieve all over the hair. It goes from short to long, and that is what will give us the movement in the hair. Now I'll go ahead and do exactly the same thing using my guide from the start to achieve the same sort of shape in the front. So to check if both sides are even, I will take sections from each side and visibly check that they are the same length. Now moving on to the rest of the hair, I will start sectioning the hair in a diagonal line from top to bottom using my guide. Okay, then I will elevate my left hand to about 90 degrees and cut in a slanted angle. This is what will give us that flow from short to long. So the key is to cut in a slanted angle, not in a straight angle. Okay, elevate your hand to about 90 degrees, then cut the hair in a slanted angle. This is the point where you will be needing a hair clip to secure the already layered section out of the way, preventing them from being accidentally cut again. So please go ahead and use a clip to clip what you've already cut out of the way. You are going to be doing this all around the hair, so remember the technique, okay, which is use your guide to know where to start cutting. Then elevate your hand, your left hand, to about 90 degrees and cut in a slanted angle. Bear in mind, not in a straight angle, a slighted angle. And also, when you are sectioning the hair, section in a diagonal line, not in a straight line. If you are still here by now, then I believe you are learning something. So please go ahead and give this video a very big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you. By the end of the cutting, you will notice a chunk of hair has come off the wig. Wigs are not cheap, okay, which is why it is so important to do this properly. Or you can always send it to me. I will leave the link to my website in the description box, or you can also contact me via my social media, which will also be in the description box. Look at the amount of hair. Now you can see a gradual flow from short to long in the hair, and that's what we want to achieve. I'll go ahead and curl it. So using the reverse bombshell technique, I will go ahead and curl all around the hair with the exception of the front section, where I'll be using the regular bombshell method. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video where I taught how to create or how to curl your hair, then please go ahead and finish this one, okay? Then I'll put a link in the video up where, either on the left or the right, and you can go and have a look at it. It is important to know the way you are curling so that the curls will fall in a perfect place for you. And as previously mentioned, I am using the bombshell technique for the front. So this time I'm curling inward and not outward. So for the reverse bombshell, we curl outward and not inward. But for the bombshell technique, we curl inward. If you want a video on how to do the bombshell technique, then kindly leave it in the comment section and I will do it for you. So this is how I'm curling just for the front section and the closure side. So after allowing the hair to set, I'll go ahead and unpin the hair and comb through it. But for the front, I'll comb it from front to back. This is the result that you get. You comb the front from front to back, then push the layers forward. This is the layers. This, you see the movements, you see the softness and the glamness of the hair. Look at how the hair is just falling into place. The layers are just falling into place. This is what you want to achieve. Don't let your hair look so straight, so boring, please. We are in 2026. Do something to it. And sis, this hair will look absolutely gorgeous on you. Okay, you can find this hair on my website. The link is in the description box. It is ready to ship, available to ship immediately. This hair and the weather in this season, it will look absolutely beautiful on you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned one or two things in this video. Put a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you've learned, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you, and bye.